The CH-53K King Stallion represents the future of heavy-lift rotary aviation for the United States Marine Corps. As global operational demands evolve, the ability to transport heavy equipment, vehicles, and personnel over long distances with speed and reliability has become more essential than ever. In response to this strategic requirement, the U.S. Navy has awarded Sikorsky, a Lockheed Martin company, a multi-year procurement contract valued at approximately $10.8 billion. This contract will cover the construction of up to 99 CH-53K helicopters over a 5-year period. This milestone agreement is the largest production contract for the CH-53K to date and positions the aircraft as the centerpiece of U.S. Marine Corps heavy lift capabilities through the next decade and beyond. The CH-53K was designed from the ground up to address the operational limitations of the CH-53E Super Stallion, which, although powerful in its era, has shown growing signs of obsolescence in recent years. The CH-53E's maintenance hours, part shortages, and reliability issues have increased with age. In contrast, the CH-53K benefits from modern design practices, extensive testing, and advanced components engineered for improved performance, lower maintenance, and greater durability under the rigors of combat and logistical operations. Equipped with 3 powerful General Electric T-408 engines, each delivering over 7,500 shaft horsepower, the CH-53K surpasses its predecessor in every key performance metric. It has a maximum gross weight of more than 88,000 pounds and is built to carry payloads over 27,000 pounds externally over significant distances, even under high altitude and high temperature conditions. This includes carrying Joint Light Tactical Vehicles (JLTVs), Humvees, artillery systems, radar units, shipping containers, and other mission-critical cargo. The aircraft can also perform undersea mine countermeasure and recovery operations when configured accordingly. Beyond raw lifting capability, the CH-53K incorporates a fully digital fly-by-wire flight control system. This feature dramatically reduces pilot workload, particularly in demanding flight environments like brownout conditions or shipboard landings. The advanced flight control system also enables greater maneuverability and responsiveness while improving overall safety margins. In the past, many of the Super Stallion's missions required extremely experienced crews and complicated manual handling. Now, with the CH-53K, operations can be executed with more precision and reliability, while enabling faster training for newer pilots. The cockpit features a modern glass display interface with multi-function screens that integrate flight, navigation, threat data, and system health information. These systems support mission planning, real-time decision-making, and situational awareness. Onboard diagnostics and maintenance tracking help reduce downtime and enhance sustainment planning. In turn, these systems minimize life cycle costs and maximize mission availability rates for operational units. Compared to the CH-53E, which often suffered from availability gaps due to age and parts shortages, the CH-53K is intended to be a reliable frontline workhorse in constant rotation. The aircraft's airframe uses corrosion-resistant materials and a more modular structure, which simplifies repairs and maintenance in both hangar and field environments. Additionally, it has composite rotor blades and a redesigned transmission system to accommodate the increased torque from the more powerful engines. The tail section and landing gear have also been strengthened to withstand the stress of heavier loads and rough landings, while maintaining the ability to operate from amphibious assault ships and forward-deployed airfields. This next-generation platform is intended to serve not only as a transport helicopter but also as a key enabler of Marine Air Ground Task Force (MAGTF) operations. Its ability to conduct vertical insertion and extraction of troops, deliver supplies in contested environments, evacuate casualties, and deploy forward command and control elements makes it indispensable in the full range of expeditionary warfare. Its compatibility with shipboard operations ensures that it remains a key asset in littoral and naval campaigns, where flexibility, speed, and lift capacity determine mission success. The delivery plan laid out under this latest contract ensures a consistent production timeline from 2029 through 2034. Sikorsky has already delivered 20 CH-53Ks and is actively producing another 63 under earlier contracts. These aircraft will be distributed among the 6 active and reserve Marine Heavy Helicopter Squadrons (HMHs), each of which will eventually be re-equipped with CH-53Ks. No squadron will operate mixed fleets, and units in transition will be withheld from deployment to allow time for conversion training and logistics support establishment. This approach is consistent with force readiness doctrine and reduces risks associated with platform integration. To support this transition, the Marine Corps has already invested in updated training infrastructure, simulators, and logistics networks. Maintenance personnel and pilots are undergoing specialized training tailored to the CH-53K's unique systems and operational envelope. The intent is to build a self-sustaining ecosystem that ensures aircraft availability, reduces cost per flight hour, and allows for rapid deployment when needed. As of the latest planning, the CH-53K is expected to reach full fleet integration by fiscal year 2032. The broader significance of this program also lies in its support for the U.S. defense industrial base. The contract will maintain and create thousands of skilled jobs across the country, not only at Sikorsky's primary manufacturing facility but also at its suppliers and subcontractors. With components sourced from over 260 suppliers in more than 35 states, the CH-53K program provides a strong foundation for American aerospace manufacturing, workforce development, and national security. The CH-53K is not a one-generation solution but a long-term capability designed to evolve with future threats and mission requirements. It has built-in growth margins to allow for upgrades in avionics, survivability equipment, network integration, and weapons systems. With increasing focus on distributed operations and contested logistics, platforms like the CH-53K will play an even more critical role in providing agile mobility, especially as peer threats grow more capable and anti-access, area denial environments become more complex. By awarding this contract and committing to the King Stallion program, the U.S. Marine Corps and Navy are ensuring that American forces will retain unmatched heavy lift capability for decades. This move is consistent with broader modernization goals across the Department of Defense, which include increased focus on force readiness, rapid deployment capability, and technological overmatch. The CH-53K will enable the Marines to support allies, respond to crises, and engage in sustained operations across the full spectrum of military activity, with speed, scale, and confidence. The CH-53K King Stallion is more than just a replacement aircraft. It is a transformational asset that strengthens the operational flexibility of the Marine Corps, bolsters the U.S. industrial base, and ensures that American air mobility remains a step ahead of emerging challenges in the global security environment. Its entry into full-rate production under this contract is a clear signal of the United States' commitment to maintaining tactical superiority, strategic reach, and logistics dominance on a global scale.